All, welcome to a new episode of GitHub Copilot. In today's episode, we will explore how to use Copilot for Codeathon. Codeathons are programming contests where you will be presented with a set of programming challenges. As part of this demo, let us explore one of the problem statement to sort the string according to the frequency of characters. So you need to sort the string. Within the string, you may have some characters are repeating. Then according to the frequency, if you look at here, the hello world contain L repeating 3 times, so that will come first, then O 2 times, then the remaining letters in the same order. So the same order it needs to come. And if there is a space, include the space as well. So this is what I needed, and along with this program, create the test scripts as well. So the task is to develop the sort algorithm in our own choice of programming language and create the test scripts. So let us see how Copilot can help us in completing this task or Codeathon problem. So I'm going directly to the GitHub Copilot chat, and I'm just taking the problem statement from the specified slide itself, and I'm going to create the workspace. So create workspace. So it needs to create the workspace for a .NET Core console app targeting net 6.0. This is what I needed, or even this I can fix it later. So I need a .NET Core console app, and I am just pasting the problem statement. Write a program to sort a string according to the frequency of character and return the final string. Add unit test project also. I need that unit test project with test cases. So this is the initial prompt where I am going to create the structure of the project to address the requirement as well as the test project according to whatever the test scripts requirements it needs to be addressed. So it's coming up with the preview also. If it looks fine, I can go ahead and create the workspace, select a specific location, and it will create the entire structure. Once the structure is available, we can go through the code snippet and review it. If it looks fine, you can continue, or if there is an error or something, you can modify accordingly. So it looks a simple sorting algorithm it's applied. Let us see how it's create the project. So the test project creation is going on right now. It's not only .NET, you can use the exactly same statement for addressing or creating the projects using Java, Python, or different other languages as well. So I have the test project here coming under SRC. Tests are separated also. So without looking anything, I'm just going to build it. So let me see whether it's able to build the project. So any kind of references are missing or not. It looks it's built. So let me go ahead and run it. Sometimes you may end up with a build errors which are pointing to some kind of errors, import or any namespace addition may be missing kind of thing. So here it's the build is passed and it's failed with .NET Framework. So I have a 6.0 installed, but it's taken the different one. That's why it's so let me just modify it and go for build and run again. Build is successful. I'm going to run it. Enter a string to sort. So let me try the same things. Hello world. So it's not sorted properly. LO. it's sorted, but it's sorted with the L is high frequency, but it's not repeated that string. So I may need to fine tune a little bit. Somewhere it's just removing that added frequency, or that values needs to be added again. The sorted character, if you see, it's adding the selects only one value, only one condenser. So if it is L is repeating 2 times, it's taking only one L. Multiple L's are not taking. So the same way, if I run once again, run tree, it's sorting, but it's not taking that repetition. So let me see how I can fine tune again. So here character frequency, order descending, x dot value, then x dot key. So it's taking on character frequency as the dictionary contain character and int. Okay, here actually sorted characters, you need to repeat it. How many times the keys are there, that many times it needs to be repeated. So let me add that statement here instead of return. Let me try to get it. Display the sorted characters repeated by their frequency. So let me take the help of Copilot to get this statement. It's not able to get it. Okay, it's giving an example. So let me add this example also. No, it's not coming out. So let me take this statement and give to the chat. And it needs to come here. So I'm just selecting this statement and adding this one. So let us see. It's rewriting the complete one, sorted string, and the 2 methods are added. Sort by character frequency with repetition. So this is the method I needed. So let me go ahead and add this method here. And invoke this as part of our program statement. So 2 changes. I'm not removing the original one where it's returned the single element, or it's ordering, but it's not repeating the letters. So build is going to succeed, and let me run it. Good. Let me say color world. It's repeated 3 times. I think it's repeating this 2 times. Let us see where. Okay, so this statement may not required. So let us see which one is correct to run it. Console, sorted string, sorted string. Let us try this one. Build is going to complete, or console. Okay, I need system here. Even if you have such a error message, you can select that one and ask Copilot to fix it. It's nothing but it will take that system import statement using system. So you can go ahead and add it here. So go and build it once again. And run. Okay, hello. world. Cool. This address our requirement. There is no need for the second sorting. So I can remove this straight away and return this sorted string. This is what I needed. So our program is working fine. We took around how much time? Okay, run. Let us try with another word, tree. Yeah, it's coming fine. Now the question is where our test method is fine or not. The test is based on the return string, the other method, the initial method which return only the string based on the frequency, but it's not repeating the characters. So I need the test cases for this method. So you can select this one. If you want, you can remove the first method altogether. Let me keep it for timing. The second method I have selected, and go ahead to the Copilot, ask the Copilot to generate the test cases. So let me see how it's generate the test cases. It's went for n unit. That is not what I needed because my test framework setup is completely on the X unit based test setup. So I can ask for test generate based on X unit. So it's went for X unit and generating the test scripts. So I can directly go to the test here and either replace the complete one. That will be the better thing. I removed this one, added the new test scripts. If you want, we can run it also, or we can check it, the test cases, if it is mapping correct or not. This looks fine. Expected, no, the expectation is not correct. So it should be, maybe it's a negative test cases. And what about hello world? I need hello. This is what we needed. Okay. So it should be hello DH DEHRW. So this is fine. It's ordered based on the sorted things. So either you can go ahead and run this test cases and verify the program, or you can just manually run it. So based on the prompt and everything, you can generate the complete. Create workspace help you to come up with the initial class structure and all. If it is not meeting your requirements, you can prompt again Copilot to get the modified version. That is what we did here. We need the repetition also. So this is the second level we did. And after that, there was a terminal error. For fixing that, you can select and ask Copilot for a fix and end with the new test generation, as the test cases are modified based on the new method implementation. So you can go ahead and generate the new test cases. If it is not based on the specified framework you have, you can again prompt based on specifying your particular test framework. This is how you can use the Copilot to complete your Codeathon problems quickly. At the same time, as a developer, you need to review the input, output, and ensure that it's mapping your requirements. Here also there is a specific things are still fine tuning is required. If I look at the hello world program, the output coming here is this model, but as per the output which we are looking at is only sort the characters, not the exact sorting required. Here actually it's sorting the entire thing, but as per our problem statement, you need to sort only the initial portion, then repeat the existing words kind of thing. So either you can go ahead with this complete sorting according algorithm, or fine tune it to get the desired result. So I'm stopping here. I hope how you can use the Copilot for creating the workspace, fixing the concerns, and fixing the terminal errors, generating new unit test cases. This is the entire cycle for any new program you are taking up. It can be the Codeathon or Hackathon or a new POC you are starting all together. You can use the same approach. Thank you.